Hi sir, regarding Satvik Ocean website, this is add category in admin panel. Okay, when you add any category, category name, category price, short description and category photo. Okay, GST will be calculated on the basis of category. You have to enter GST here and if you want to edit any category, here is GST. GST is 0, just mention 5%. GST will be updated automatically on the base of category. Okay. Uh, Regarding order calculation, when you go on order meal, lunch, Sathi Bhojan at 150, 3 days 450, and there is no discount, 0%. Show it like this. If there is any discount, it will show here. Okay. This is the product. GST calculation is going here. Uh, let's go with pricing tier. Uh, you can add any category name here and add it there, or like you can want to any discount tax or duration, you can add it here. Just here is pricing like 3 days percentage of discount. Here is Satvik Bhojan regular category. Okay, 6 days percentage discount. You can add it discount here. uh, on the base of this discount calculation will be done. There are all the categories and there are pricing tier. You can add also like add tire, duration, 1 day. If you want to discount any tax or anything, that is okay. If you don't want to add anything, that will be 0. um, like 0. Okay. You have to enter percentage also. Here is add product, add category. On the base of category, price calculation will be done. Like lunch price 150. Okay, 450, 450, 450. Okay, discount is coming dynamically from the pricing tab. Let's go with manage bill. Mm, Here is manage bill. Go to edit. You are adding everything. Okay, and if you want to add extra, allow extra serving. Okay, you can add from here. Like you want to add roti. Okay, it will add here. uh, Product add option is also there. Allow extra serving. Okay, like you enter roti, price is 15 rupees per roti. How many roti he will add, price will add calculatedly dynamically on the base of this. Mm, and also regarding just go add category again. Okay, uh, this is the view menu page. All category and its text is visible here. Just you want to add category curries, add it here, update the image. Okay, and you want to update the text, it will come here. Data is coming dynamically from the admin panel. Okay sir. Rest everything clear. Like you want to add delivery boy, manage location. Here is manage location. On which location you want to deliver. Here is again existing. If you want to add it, you can add it. If you want to add new location, pin code or description is optional. That is, thank you. If any issue, tell us.